while we're here, we've learned something. An allotment is called what, Suki?
A self-gardening centre.
This guy can sell anything. If he's selling allotments, it's now called a
You wouldn't want to buy. If I said, look, I've got an allotment for sale, it sounds like a heap. If I said I've got a self-gardening centre for sale, you would probably buy it.
Self-gardening centre.
This guy.
Welcome to Flat Out Media. Always remember, 2 modes: key out or flat out. Hello guys, right, I'm here to see my friend Suki Gill. He works at this place. We got a test drive booked on a really nice SVR this morning. Obviously the RS6, as you know, has gone. So Mrs. FOM is driving around in a friend's car at the moment, which she's kindly lent to us, which is really nice. However, we can't do that forever. So we're looking for a replacement. A couple of other test drives booked. Hopefully this will be the one, because I really like it. Let's see how we get on. As we said outside briefly, it was quite noisy out there, so we thought we'd come inside to chat to you guys about the various options. So obviously, people will be thinking, why do you need another car? Have you not got enough that she could use? Obviously, going through the list, I've got a collection of massively impractical cars. You know, the Lamborghini is just going to cost too much to run for her to go to school and back. Also, I'm not sure it gives a great image for other teachers and students, etc. The Mustang would be too expensive to. Here he is. He's interrupting us. That's all good. How you doing, man? You good?
Good, too.
Yeah, not too bad. That was good. Yeah, the Mustang would be too expensive to run as well. I mean, that's 5 litre supercharged. Does 9 to the gallon. Caterham should just tell me where to go. If he even suggested that, there's not even a heater, not even a roof. She tried the van once. I forgot that it's got a paddle clutch, so it's on or off. I think she stalled it 3 times off the driveway before getting out, leaving the handbrake off. I think I was lucky it was still in gear, and throwing me the keys and saying. Actually, I can't repeat what she said, but yeah, it was something not very teacher-like. And off she went in. I think it was a taxi or something that day. So yeah, that was that. So anyway, we're looking at some more sort of practical options. She loves the big cars, so like the SVR, the Ranges. It might even be an SVR we choose in the end. It might be something hybrid or electric. I mean, I'm not adverse to anything like that. So we've got a couple of test drives, but with different things. We've got like, which we'll go through. You probably don't want me to tell right now, do you, Aaron? No, we'll keep that a bit of a secret. But this one, we've obviously let out the bag. This is going to be a mega one. So my mate, we're just seeing Suki here. He's going to show us all around it and go from there. Right, we'll catch up in a bit. Alright, you got a busy day?
Yeah.
What are you up to today?
Just doing our normal work here now.
What do you do? Who are you enforcing on today?
It's nothing to do with parking, it's flight tips, noise complaints.
That's what we wondered.
Noise complaints.
We were going to come and see if you had any good content for us.
Elliot, give me a noise complaint.
But yeah, should we do a noise complaint for you on this? Do you want to hear? No one complained, no. Have a good day, boys. See you later.
He was pissed. He himself. Was like, oh no.
Nah, they just having
Like,
a laugh.
are we enforcing you or are you enforcing us?
It was funny. He's like, who are those guys just pulled up on us? Right, guys. So first impressions of this car. Now I've kind of got a bit more used to it. It's amazing. It feels a bit smaller than the RS6. I.e., inside, it's not the biggest complaint that Mrs. FOM had with the RS6 is it's low off the ground and it's very long. It's like a long, wide barge. This is obviously wide, but I don't think it actually feels anywhere near as big as the RS6.
No.
The boot is bigger. And it's more usable. Suki was showing us that you can move the boot up and down to put, you know, big heavy things in, or bring it down if kids want to sit on the side, put the shoes on, whatever. It's kind of, practically, I think it's a more practical shape vehicle. Speed-wise, I haven't really opened it up yet. We're in a bit of a built-up area. It sounds amazing. It sounds better than the RS6 because I think with this switchable exhaust, it just, I don't know, it just sounds nicer.
Yeah.
It's quick. It's immensely quick. As you can see from that, it just goes, and that was never going to be in the question. It's what? So it's 570.
575 brake. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's anything with a 5 in front of it's going to be quick, isn't it? It's not, you know. Obviously, it isn't a heavy car. It's nowhere near as quick as the RS6, but as I said before in the video, getting the RS6 gone. She doesn't need anything that quick. It's not about that. It's just about getting her to school, and you know, if I can have a bit of a play in it and it's got a bit of power behind it, that's all cool for the weekends. But it's not all about the power for us on this. I think it's more the usability and how I like the way it sounds and stuff, you know. Interior wise, I don't know if I'm a fan.
It's got a fridge though.
It's got a fridge. That is the cool. I mean, just about the tan.
Tan's nice.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with tan.
It's the launch.
You can use the launch if you set it up on this. We haven't set it up yet.
So not just do it if you got that.
It will just want to.
No.
It will just want to go.
It wants to go, doesn't it?
Yeah, yeah. It'll just want to go.
You're like, mate, you left my diff on the floor.
Yeah, yeah. I won't do it on there. I'll set it up for you on the next one. But yeah, now you're in sport, so this is obviously the dynamic mode. So this is going to be set. But it's not almost just SVR. It's not all about that because you've got eco, you've got comfort, you've got mud and ruts, you've got sand, ice and snow, off road. It's still an SUV sports Range Rover at the end of the day.
Why did that not change?
I think we put it in sport, so the paddles would have been.
Oh, so it's only paddles,
yeah,
right?
only paddles. Yeah. So if I do
Could have
this,
warned me.
if I do this, I mean, I'm hoping you could beat a Honda Jazz off the line.
Yeah, that is wicked.
Right guys, so first impressions, we did get a bit of GoPro footage, which I think Aaron's going to edit. We don't want to bore you guys too much with the facts and figures. I always worry on these videos, there's too much chat and not enough action. But basically, to put it in perspective, it's immensely quick, which is not the reason I want it. It's more for practicality. Practicality-wise, it's brilliant in the sense of boot space, passenger space, the handling, the safety side of it is lovely. The other side of it, which we have been speaking about financially, it's a good purchase because there's not many of them around. Massive waiting list, because I know he can sort me out one to get that early for when I need it. First impressions is it's definitely a goer. I want to try a couple of other vehicles, including their Range Rover electric. I think it's called a P400e, because the electric side of things does excite me in terms of financials as well. So anyway, that's what my first impressions. We'll leave it there for now.
Guys, we've got a little bit of a problem here. I'm a bit taken aback. I said to him I want to see this one but he's already sold it. However, this, just look at it. I can't. I'm lost for words. This is insane. I want it. I just want it. Everything else, sensible head, is gone. Just look at the colour. Look at the bonnet. Look at this. I love carbon. And look at that. I want this car. I actually just want this one. Yeah, she's have to drive this to school.